Dear gardeners, I greet you. The autumn sowing of onions is ahead of us. Today, we'll show you an amazing, but very important and useful step that you must do before sowing garlic in order to get healthy and large bulbs free of diseases and pests. But before I show you this trick, subscribe to our channel to follow all our useful tips and techniques on organic vegetable growing. And now, let's go straight to our video. If you are a fan of growing onions like me, the ideal time for planting them is from the end of September to the end of October, depending on the climate and weather conditions. It is important that the onion is planted before winter so that it takes root well. But first, we have to soak the onion in the liquid that will be presented to you now. Choose only large and healthy stems. So let's go to the recipe. Boil 2 tablespoons of chamomile flowers in half a liter of water. You can also use filter bags with chamomile tea. Cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Leave to cool. If you follow our advice, you will find out how to strengthen the heads and thus prevent many diseases that attack onions. We will strain our tea and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to this liquid. Baking soda is an excellent tool that has been used more and more recently in our vegetable gardens. In combination with chamomile, it will protect onions from diseases and ensure the development of healthy and large heads. Mix well so that the baking soda dissolves well. Pour this liquid over the onion. Let the onion stand in this liquid for about 2 hours. Stir from time to time, then drain the onion from the liquid and leave it in the sun to dry for about 1 hour. Be sure that in this way you have provided the onion with all the nutrients it needs for its growth and good rooting. After 1 hour, plant the onions in the already prepared flower beds to a depth of 10 centimeters and lightly cover them with soil. Dear gardeners, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.